installed our Java and set up the environment. Now, in order to use the environment, we need the IDE. So, we are going with the Eclipse. So, in the Chrome, search for Eclipse and then download. Now, when you go for Eclipse download, you will have this result from eclipse.org. Click on this, and after that, simply go with this one, that install your favorite IDE. So, click on download x86 and finally click on the download, right? So it will ask for something, but yeah. So in the background, we can check. Yes, so in the background, we can see this that Eclipse download is starting. We can go in a file explorer, and inside the downloads, we have that folder, and double click on this. Yes, so wait for this one, that and go with the install anyway option. After we click on install anyway, the installation will begin. That Eclipse will start making the environment for the files, and it starts its setup. So we have the Eclipse installer. Yes, so again click on install anyway. Right. Now it is asking that what thing you need to install or which Eclipse IDE do you want. So in that case, we want this thing, that Eclipse IDE for Java developers. Right. Just try to make it make it little bit bigger. Try to make it little bit bigger. Because I will cut this thing. Yes, so Eclipse IDE for enterprise Java and web developers. In Eclipse IDE for Java developers. So I will keep it minimal and I will go with this one. And it is checking the path for this thing. And it's yes, so check this both the things. Or they both are already checked. So click on install. Okay, so our finally installation is completed and it is showing that you can launch this thing. So I will click on the launch, and now you can see that Eclipse IDE is starting or opening. Launch this thing. So I will click on the launch, and now you can see that Eclipse IDE is starting or opening. Now I will close this thing. Yeah, Eclipse is loading because it is starting first time. Once it will start, it will it won't take much time as in the first startup. So yeah, so it is asking me where in which folder I want to keep this all the things. So yes, so I will select the default and I will create the launch. So it is asking that was written with the older version, continue updated versions which may include the version. Okay, so I will click on continue. Initially, you won't find this thing. Now, what you need to do is that here multiple things are there. So as we are file and then on new, and after new click on project. After that select the Java and click on finish. Right, on the Java, inside Java you can select the Java project. Click on next and give the project name as demo. I will give preferably demo and click on finish. Okay. Yes. So now we have created the demo as our project. So these things won't be there in your system as I already have this Eclipse. It is there. So as we have created the demo, inside demo, click on SRC. After SRC, click on again new and then click on class. Inside class, click create the test class as test and also check this checkbox. Yes, and after that, click on okay. So it is asking me for the package. So I will create com dot test as a package. Right, I will click finish. So in the test, simply do SYSO and shift and then spacebar. Right, or if you don't know that, simply click write as it is that system dot out dot println and then finally inside this println, welcome to Java world. Right, welcome to Java world. I will save this and I need to run that. For this running, click on this class and right click. After that, click on run as and finally as Java application. And you can see in the console we got the output as welcome to Java world, and that is our the first program with the help of Eclipse. We have installed the Eclipse. Thank you.